woman's wardrobe is complete without a dress, and there are certain dresses every woman should own. Some may feel more comfortable in a pair of denim over a dress. However, for all these reasons and more, there are certain dresses every woman should own. So let's take a look at them. The LBD. Every woman's closet should come equipped with this staple. It's an iteration you can dress up or down and wear to both celebratory and somber occasions. The halter dress. The close to center neckline puts toned shoulders in the spotlight. And if your shoulders aren't so toned, this style angles up, you fake it like you make it. The maxi dress. For the days when jeans just won't do, the maxi dress is a perfect alternative. It's comfortable in traveling too. It's easy to layer up and it works all year. Long story short, it's a must. The tank dress. The antithesis of a clincher, it's straight. Short shape simply suggests everyone get a load of your defined thighs and calves. Gym time made payoff. The shirt dress. With some slight embellishments, the bejeweled collar, this preppy classy is equally and its element 9 to 5 Tuesday as 8 p.m. Saturday. A low slung hip belt subtly defines your shape without harshing the laid back vibe. Last but not the least, the tea dress. Alright girls, every girl needs a tea dress. Ever wished your favorite worn-in t-shirt would double its length so you could get away with wearing a pantless in public? Granted. Do you have special dresses like these in your closet? Tell me about your favorites right below in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe to us for more such interesting updates.